Hello there and welcome back. In this video we are going to see how you can use the MongoDB example.py. So in order to use Mongo database we need to import from Redbird .repos the Mongo repo, and then we can create our repository. And for the Mongo repository we have to specify a URI, and this would look something like this: MongoDB user pass at localhost and the port number, and the database is going to be MyDB. And we will also have a collection which is my items. So that is one way to use it. If you want, you can install an additional Python module which is called PyMongo. And this will provide you with basically Mongo database client, and after that you can use the Mongo example2.py, and here from the Redbird .repos we have to import the Mongo repo, and from PyMongo we have to import the Mongo client, and we can create our repository with the Mongo repo. And here we have to specify the client, which would be the Mongo client, and for that we have to pass the MongoDB URI with the user and pass at localhost and 27017, and we have to also specify the database, which is going to be MyDB, and the collection, which would be my items. So this would mean that you are using an additional layer for the Mongo client. And the third one for the Mongo example would be this. So from redbird.repos we import the Mongo repo. From pydantic we import the base model, and we define the my item as base model, and here we have the ID, the name, and the quantity. And after that we can use the one from our first example. So create the Mongo repo URI, and at the end we have to say that the model is going to be my item, and the CRUD operations are the same after this. And this is how you can use the Redmine with Mongo databases. See you in the next one.